sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sun. With this beautiful quote, I, Shreya Mandal of class 9, along with my classmates, wish you a very cheerful morning. So, let's start our morning assembly with Ye Digan. School, attention, ready for DA begun. Join your hands and close your eyes. Imparts feeling of nationalism among us. Let's take oath. So far, I would call.
Morning everyone, my name is Aljati Pale, class 5. Today's place is India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always give my parents, teacher and elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai.
Now, to deliver the principles of Arya Samaj, I would like to call Satya.
School, standards.
आर्य समाज के 10 नियम पांचवा सब काम धर्मानुसार अर्थात सत्य और असत्य को विचार करके करना चाहिए।
विचार करके करना चाहिए।
नियम छठा, संसार का उपकार करना
संसार का उपकार करना
इस समाज का मुख्य उद्देश्य है।
इस समाज का मुख्य उद्देश्य है।
अर्थात शारीरिक,
आत्मिक
और सामाजिक उन्नति करना।
और सामाजिक उन्नति करना।
धन्यवाद।
School, attention, ready for prayer song. School, standard is.
Third, give us positive opinion to start our day with insistment and inspirations. So for today's thought, I would like to call
Good morning to all my teachers. My name is Krishna Gandhi Mahathi. Today's thought of the day is you give but little when you give away your possessions. It is when you give of yourself in the service of others that you truly give. I repeat it. You give but little when you give away your possessions. It is when you give of yourself in the service of others that you truly give. Thank you.
to update us with current happiness. I would like to call our news reporter Sampath.
Good morning to all. Today's news headlines are: first of all, some international and national news. RBI government need deep well-informed debate on cryptocurrency. Junjunwala Airlines skipped $9 billion order for Boeing 737 MAX aircraft. Boris Johnson begs banning British lawmakers from consultancy work. Germany called for space security rules after Russian satellite strike. 8,865 fresh COVID-19 cases in India, lowest in 287 days. Now some sports news. Pakistan to host Cricket Championship Trophy in 2025. Argentina qualified for 2022 FIFA World Cup despite goals draw versus Brazil. Toto Wolff demands reviews of Max Verstappen incident in Brazil. Zhou becomes F1 first Chinese driver with Alfa Romeo. Now some state news. Odisha Chhattisgarh police to jointly counter LWE drugs trafficking. Congress launches egg attack on Union Minister Vishweshwar Guru. Bhubaneswar administers over 26 lakh COVID vaccines. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, to know about some amazing and wonderful facts, I would like to call Soumya.
Good morning all. Today's Fat File is based on India National Sports Award 2021. Fact number 1. Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award in 2021 was given Neeraj Chopra in athletics javelin throw, Manpreet Singh in hockey, Mithali Raj in cricket, Pramod Kumar Bhagat in Paralympic badminton from Odisha. Fact 2. Arjuna Awards in 2021. Shikhar Dhawan in cricket, Abhishek Verma in shooting, Bhavana Patel in Paralympic table tennis, and Sandeep Narwal in kabaddi. And some Dronacharya Award 2021. Ashan Kumar in kabaddi, Tapan Kumar Panigra in swimming, and some Dronacharya Award regular category. Jayprakash Nainital in Paralympic shooting, Subramaniam Raman in table tennis. Thank you.
Romeo UNIST important Khel Ratna awardee Krishna Nagar.
Krishnanagar.
Paralympics for badminton. Krishna Nagar, who has been awarded as a Khel Ratna awardee this year. Thank you.
For today's word, I would like to.
Good morning everyone. I am Om Prakash from class 5. Today's word is glare. 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 It means chamak.
School, attention, ready for national anthem.
The difference between a successful man and other is not the lack of strength, rather it is lack of will. With this, I conclude this morning assembly. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.